Bully. You can't even. What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.
Ты ко мне лезть. Не надо. Ах ты. Part 2, double mom hug. Ready, meters?
This cat is not being harmed in any way and truly enjoys doing this trick.
It's a little flip. Oh, it's cold.
These people use their cat to catch a bug.
Yes, girl.
Sure, she will solve and
Oh my god, he's gonna get. Oh my god.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Oh!
What did you just say?
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!